I might even drink it. It's been a very full of movie, and I think I'm going to consider it.
Fancy a red wine cone? Red wine?
Where now?
Yes. Macedonia.
That's from Slovenia.
Yeah, it's Macedonia.
earlier this afternoon, the former Conservative... Ukraine. You can watch the full documentary, Ukraine Enemy in the Woods, tonight at 9 o'clock on BBC.
The call for a ceasefire condition. It means that if Israel does not follow it, then either the UN might want to take on the drilling company. But I would say that this current crisis, this rift, this is not a trivial incident 2 days earlier. We all wonder if Israel
And another attack in 2021 which targeted the electoral register and gained access to the personal details of voters.
This is the latest hostile activity originating in China, including the targeting of democratic institutions and parliamentarians in the United Kingdom.
No one has ever been charged. Plus,
Alexandra Zoltana. He sounds
here, who would like to know what their opinions are about certain things.
Oh, look, free love, free love.
Green Party candidate.
Anderson, David Baddiel and Benedict Cumberbatch have all given their time for
free to the Park Theatre in Finsbury Park.
Oh, nice.
Good.
To put that in context, Mount Everest is only about 60 million years old.
Look at that cow. Oh, really?
Almost cut off from the outside world by vertical cliffs on all sides, Mount Roraima has
And
long
they don't have tadpoles.
Is it really a pomegranate?
This is only here if the fungus come here to the food.
We're going to gym.